How to apply coupon code in Chatgpt 2026 full guide. Got a Chatgpt promo code and not sure where to enter it? Before you go hunting for discount codes online, there's something important you need to know first. Let me save you time and frustration in under 2 minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through exactly how to apply a coupon code in Chatgpt in 2026, and more importantly, how to make sure the code you have is actually going to work. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Understand how ChatGPT promo codes actually work. OpenAI only releases legitimate promo codes through official channels like direct emails, the ChatGPT billing interface, or verified partnerships. Most codes advertised online are either expired, fake, or not associated with your account, so before anything else, make sure your code came directly from OpenAI. Step 2. Head to Chatgpt.com and go to your subscription page. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, go to My Plan, and select Upgrade or Manage Subscription. This takes you directly into the billing flow where the promo code field appears. Step 3. Enter your code at checkout. During the checkout process, you'll find a field labeled promo code or discount code near the order summary. Enter your code carefully, ensuring there are no typos or extra spaces, then click Apply. If the code is valid, the discount will be reflected in your total immediately. Step 4. Watch for automatic codes. If you received an offer directly from OpenAI, such as a discount after canceling, the code typically appears automatically in your billing interface rather than requiring manual entry. So check your billing page first before looking for a field to type anything in. Step 5. Troubleshoot if your code isn't working. Common errors include using codes from non-OpenAI sources, applying codes not tied to your specific account, or using expired codes. The billing system will reject all of these automatically. If problems persist, contact ChatGPT support directly to verify the code's validity. Here's your pro tip. Most ChatGPT promotions only allow one active promo code per transaction, so always use the single best code available rather than trying to stack multiple discounts. And always review the terms before checkout to confirm eligibility for your specific plan and region. And that's it. How to apply a coupon code in ChatGPT in 2026, how to spot legitimate codes, where to enter them at checkout, and how to fix it if they're not working. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more ChatGPT tips every week. Drop a comment below. Did your code work? See you in the next one.